elderly drivers wanted off the road. A poll was conducted in Great Britain. It asked respondents if they thought that the streets and roads in the country were getting congested. And according to the survey, many Britons thought that this was true. The poll was created and conducted by one of the Britons' online insurance brokers, and they did the survey through their website. The survey also asked if these who thought that the streets were congested had any solutions or answers to such a problem. Almost half of the respondents answered by saying that elderly drivers should be taken off the roads during the peak hours of driving. Some 49% of the whole lot gave such a solution to the congestion problem. It did not even make a difference if you used quality Pontiac performance parts for your well-maintained vehicle. If you are old, then you should also be off the streets. Of course, this has been quite a surprise for everybody. Even Paul Cosh, who is the managing director of the organization which conducted the research, could not help but comment about such an outcome of their survey. He says, "The impact of congestion on the UK economy in terms of lost time, fuel costs and general stress runs to billions, yet we continue to drive our cars more and drive further than the rest of Europe. However, I do not think that picking on this nation's most careful and experienced drivers is really the answer. To be honest, the views shown by this poll are quite shocking and simply do not stand up against the facts." Analysis of the survey conducted that aside more than half of the drivers who answered the survey said that these elderly drivers should be banned because they believe that the elderly drivers are quite slow when it comes to coping with the new conditions of traffic and of the roads.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.